Sunday morning and it is a day of many chores. So I've got a few extra kind of decluttering and cleaning jobs that I need to do today, so I thought that I would bring you along. But first up, I'm going to let you know the areas I'm going to be tackling today. So I want to have a tidy up of this table here and all of these wires. The underbed area is also going to get sorted out because we've got these storage boxes. Going to do the laundry, which includes changing the bed and also putting on the new duvet because we bought a new duvet. I'm going to vacuum the floor, pick up these shoes. So also going to have a little sort out of all the stuff under here because I've got a new storage box. Clothes actually look okay. I'm going to have a little sort out of the stuff up here, what can go out into the kitchen and what can be moved elsewhere. The other side isn't too bad, just a few things like need folding a little bit. This needs a little tidy, basically just a little tidy of that. And then TV unit wise, again, sort these shoes out, just like tidy this stuff away because it's looking pretty messy. Again, vacuum in here, there's the rest of the laundry. And in the desk area, just give it a wipe down and kind of a bit of a tidy up because it's getting a bit cluttered again. And all of my little Harry Potter figures have fallen down. It's really sad. There's also a big bag of IKEA stuff under here which needs sorting out, and also just taking out that bin. And then the last thing that needs doing is just the bathroom. So just sorting out all of this like clutter here, having a little sort out in this cupboard here, obviously actually cleaning the shower and sorting out the rubbish, and also the accumulation of this rubbish bin because it wouldn't fit in here, and just washing our towels. The laundry should be done now, so I'm just off down to collect it from the dryer and then pop it all away and make the bed, and most excitingly get the new duvet out. So the laundry is all done and put away. The bed is now made and the new duvet feels so, well, basically I'm just very excited to go to sleep tonight under the new duvet. So next chore to tackle is the bathroom. It's quite a big one. It means I can like take the rubbish out. Obviously all the towels and everything have been washed. So yeah, I have a little blitz of the bathroom. desk is done, the bathroom is done, the bed is done, and the laundry is done. And it's now time to have a sort out of everything that was in this cupboard here and also under the bed. So we have put it all on the bed to have a little sort out, and honestly I'm shocked at just how much stuff we've just got hoarded away. Well, all of today's chores, sort out, declutter are all done. We have got rid of so much rubbish, just unnecessary packaging. We both had an empty shoebox each. I don't know why we just hold on to these things. But anyway, everything's done. It's 1:45, so it's been a bit of a long old slog, but feeling much better, much more, I don't know, relaxing space now, and glad it is all done. So I'll just give you a little tour of everything now it's all been cleaned and tidied. So I've had a little tidy of the desk and like anti-backed it all. Just these cups here because obviously we're gonna have, you know, juice and coffee, etc. Put all my books back here, stood up all of my little Harry Potter figures. Oh, the wind keeps blowing them down, which is very annoying. Empty laundry basket, great. Obviously the bed is all made, and we've got the new throw on here from IKEA. All the underbed storage is completely sorted out as well. Had a little sort out of all the wires here, and then just a little sort out of the table. Shoes obviously all away, and are now down here along with some snacks. And we've just got a few like easy reach products here, like the coffee sachets and the porridge. This side there's just some laundry. Had a little fold up of the washing and had a little tidy up of that. TV unit is now all clear, apart from my little toys, all dusted and anti-bagged, and just looking a bit neater and tidy. And I've popped my shoes under here. And then the bathroom, so obviously all the rubbish is gone. Got the towels and everything back in here. Cleaned all the sink, sorted out all the vanity. Actually got new toothbrushes, or they are the same as the toothbrushes we had before. And then in the shower, just got a new shower puff for Tim. Had a little sort of everything and move around in a clean. Well, after all that hard work, it's finally now snack time. Just got some strawberries and some pear. So I'm gonna sit down, enjoy this, and then we're gonna go out. It's very windy, and although it's overcast, it's actually boiling, like I'm boiling in this jumper. But we're just going off to the library for a little bit to do a bit of work, and then we're gonna go off to Coles and just get a few bits and bobs that we need for the week. So I spent the last couple of hours or so in the library. Tim has actually gone off to Coles to get the couple of bits that we need. I'm actually going to head off home now to make a start on dinner, because we're actually having a shepherd's pie tonight, which I'm very, very excited about. I'm just getting a bit mindful of time, and we're due to speak to Tim's parents a bit later on this evening, so I don't want to like rush dinner and tidying up and be late speaking to them. So I've just seen a little clan of kangaroos up here, so hopefully I can get a little couple of clips of them because they're so sweet. Well, the shepherd's pie is now well and truly in the oven. I think it's going to take probably about 30 minutes or so just to get like a nice crispy top. So for the next half an hour or so, I think I'm going to do some editing, because I literally have like 4 other videos to edit at the moment, which is absolutely ridiculous. I appreciate I obviously have uni work as well, but gotta get these videos edited. Probably just like have a trashy film on in the background and then have our dinner. Well, dinner was absolutely outstanding, if I do say so myself. Definitely contained a few of our 5 a day, which was great. And there's also like a whole leftover portion, or like portion each, of the mince mix, so we can make another shepherd's pie again, maybe like next week or something. So we are just gonna spend the rest of the evening, well, we're gonna speak with Tim's parents in like 10 minutes, have a couple of drinks, maybe listen to some music and just chill out before the week ahead. But I hope that you enjoyed today's kind of random little vlog and all the declutter and tidying and cleaning. I definitely feel like I'm in a much more productive space now, which is great. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.